everyone. My name is Ralph Timoran, and this is my final presentation for this week's discussion. This is our final week, and I'm so glad to have been able to get this far, and I believe most of you are relieved as well as I am to have been able to get to this point. For this last discussion post, we were asked to record ourselves responding to specific questions. The first question was, when was the last time you recorded your voice with your computer screen at the same time? The last time I recorded my voice with myself on the camera on the screen at the same time was Thursday. I had to record myself presenting a statistics project that I calculated. I had to present my findings and my research in a recording, as well as type all of them, my calculations, in Word. And the tip that I found most useful from the YouTube video above is to use a screen recording software, which is I am currently now using. I downloaded mine in Play Store. Screen Recorder. It's free to use, easy to utilize, and easy to download. And that's exactly what I did when I did my project, and I'm currently doing it now. And for the second question was, which Microsoft Office software tool I enjoyed working with the most. The Microsoft Office software tool that I enjoyed working with the most was Excel. For the past 10 weeks, I enjoyed doing Excel because I believe we covered 3 weeks out of those 10 weeks with Excel and doing projects with Excel. It's certainly challenging, and I like myself, um, I like challenges. And after learning more about Excel in this course, I plan to utilize it. I plan to utilize what I learned in Excel for future projects, personally and at work. Record data, use everything that I've learned, use the shortcuts and formulas and the tips, and the decorative tables in Excel to make my projects and my personal project more detailed and organized. Um, The third question was, which Microsoft Office software tool I enjoyed working with the least. The Microsoft Office software tool that I enjoyed working with the least is Word. Um, I believe I learned most of the stuff that we learned here. Not that I didn't learn anything, it's just that um, I utilize Word almost every single day with school and work and all that to create and write reports. Um, and also, the reason why I didn't like Word much is because the sensitivity of CEngage when doing the projects. I can't do any shortcuts that I've learned when I utilize Word normally, or how I usually do them. So that kind of like turned it down for me. I didn't like it. But anyways, um, I think it's still amazing that I learned Word through that website and this course. I liked it. It's just the sensitivity of CEngage is just not for me. Anyways, moving on. For the fourth question, how do I plan to use my recently gained knowledge from studying Microsoft Excel to complete our final assignment? I intend to use what I learned over the past 3 weeks in Excel to create the final project by using the different shortcuts and formulas and other tricks that we learned to make my final project look presentable and detail. I plan to use the tables. I plan to create tables with the data that we were given and use the formulas such as AutoSum, and create different cell types, and just make my presentation a little more presentable and detailed and organized. I like a little organization when I do my projects. Um, Yeah, so far I've answered all of the questions. For this class, I am grateful. I get to learn a lot of things, a lot of shortcuts, formulas from Microsoft Office software tools, and it's been a blast. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Enjoy your Christmas and enjoy your break.